In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the slope or gradient of the tangent line to a curve at a given point. Say we are given a function y equals f of x. So the first step is find the derivative dy dx, and the second step is just substitute the x coordinate of a given point into the derivative dy dx. Now, say we need to find the slope of the tangent to a curve at the given point 1, 3. So the first step is to differentiate this function with respect to x, and the derivative is for x minus 3. Now, the second step, you want to take the x coordinate, which is 1, and plug it in for x everywhere x appears into your derivative and compute it. So it's gonna be 4 times 1 minus 3, which is 1. So the slope is 1. As letter m is used to represent the slope. Alright, let's move on. Here's some problems to work out.